Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Affmine, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money with this particular website? How does this work? Is this affiliate network legit? Should you be recommending products from them? And is this a great way to make money online, right? Maybe there are better ways. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are great, some of them are so-so, some of them are just a waste of time. So let's check out Affmine to find out how good this affiliate marketing network is and whether you should be recommending their products. How does this all work? How do you make money from them? Okay. Now, Affmine is a very legit affiliate marketing network, but they are very specific, okay? So they are a CPA network, cost per acquisition. That means that they've got offers on there where people need to basically complete certain tasks or hit a certain milestone before you get paid out by that particular offer, right? So Affmine will work with hundreds and thousands of different offers, and they specialize mainly in the incentive offer space, the offer wall space, sweepstakes, adult dating, which is interesting, and surveys and quizzes. Okay, so it's not your typical affiliate marketing network where you can find all sorts of physical products and digital products. They mainly focus in this kind of like incentive offer wall, surveys, quizzes, and sweepstakes area, and of course, and dating as well is a big vertical for them. Okay, so all of their products are 100% digital. They are surveys that people can download. It's offers that they can take. They can take part in sweepstakes, things like that. And then it's also the adult dating. So if they fill out an application, give you a credit card, then you get actually paid for people doing that. Okay, so you can come to their website right here, and they accept marketers like us from all over the world, right? So you can come here and you can just click on sign up, and when you click on sign up, you would basically fill in all your details. You would give them your traffic information, what are your promotional methods, things like that, and then they will need to verify your account. Okay, so it's not an immediate approval. The more information you can give them, the better. If you give them very little information, they might not approve you, because the thing about Affmine is that because of the nature of the products that they're selling, they generally focus on people that are very experienced. Okay, so I'll talk a little bit about that so that you can understand whether this is the right fit for you, right? So if you're a beginner, this might not necessarily be the right platform for you, but stick around because I'll show you towards the end of this video exactly how you can make a ton of money from affiliate marketing if this is something that you're interested in exploring, okay? So let me show you some of the offers that Affmine offers so that you kind of get an idea, right? So because they focus mainly on the survey and quiz market, the sweepstake market, and the offer wall market, generally a lot of the offers will kind of look like this. Okay, so imagine that you're on a website and then you basically see a sweepstake for AirPods, for example, right? So what you would have to do is you'd have to click on it, and it might be a banner ad. Okay, a lot of the time these are banner ads. Okay, or it's basically on a website where they can see that they can take part in a sweepstake. They would click on it, and basically your traffic or your users would fill in details for the particular sweepstake to see if they can win a pair of AirPod Maxes. That's kind of how it works. That's how a sweepstake works, right? So basically they're filling in information, and they will have different sweepstakes for different countries. So if your traffic comes from the US, then that might be a good offer for you to promote, right? But if your traffic doesn't come from the US, then they can't take part in this sweepstake, all right? But for every single successful application that you fill in, or you get your people to fill in, you'll make $2 for this particular offer, as an example, all right? Now, some of the other things that they do would be other sweepstakes, like maybe they get a chance to win a Weber barbecue grill, and again, people, your traffic, have to fill in an application form, give all their details, and then they get entered into a sweepstake. And again, this is US traffic, and you'll get $2 for every cost per acquisition, for every new sweepstake applicant that you get people to fill out. Okay, this is another one. It's like a Samsung win a Galaxy S21 or S21 Ultra. This is for Australia, and for every applicant you get paid 90 cents. right? Okay, so that's for sweepstakes, right? Some other ones are like, you can win a $1,000 Visa gift card for the US, okay? So again, this would be on your website. It would be a little banner on your website. People have to click it, fill it up, that kind of thing, and you would get paid a certain amount of money, maybe $1, maybe 50 cents for every single person that filled up a particular application to win those sweepstakes, right? What else do they have? Vouchers, cleaning products, vouchers again, right? So how does this work? Gift card. You get the chance to win a $300 gift card. Again, this is a sweepstake, right? So they specialize in this kind of area, right? Win an iPhone 12, that kind of thing. Win a PS5, vouchers, right? Win a $1,000 gift card from Walmart, that kind of thing, right? So essentially, they work with all of these different companies. They put all these sweepstakes, these surveys, these quizzes, these offers together, and then you would go out there and basically promote them, okay? And so for every applicant that fills out that particular application form, you would make a specific amount of money, maybe $1, maybe $2, maybe 50 cents, right? So their offers are very specific to a very specific type of affiliate marketer. You have to understand that, okay? So if you're watching this video and you're brand new, like you're a beginner, you have no traffic, you have no website, you don't have a blog that has 500,000 people coming to it every single month, or maybe even 10,000 people coming into it every single month, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to use Affmine because you can't drive enough traffic for you to be successful or make money from this particular style of affiliate offers, okay? But if you are one of those people, that means you have a very big blog. Maybe you've got a tech review blog, or you've got a big dating blog where you're already generating a lot of traffic. There are a lot of people coming to your website every single day. Then it's very easy for you to stick one of these offers there. They've even got dating offers, Let me see if I can find a dating offer. And I can't find a dating offer right now, but their dating vertical is really big. Like, see, Ashley Madison, right? So Ashley Madison, they've got again, you can, for every credit card applicant that fills in the application, Ashley Madison will pay you a specific commission, right? But in order for you to use this Ashley Madison affiliate offer, you have to have a dating audience, or you have to have a dating website, okay? So this is only good if you already have a dating website, or you're in the dating space where you've got a big blog, you advise, people, you teach people how to date and things like that. But if you're a beginner, then unfortunately you can't really use some of these offers, right? Or maybe you're an owner of one of the very big GPT websites, right? So maybe Swagbucks, for example. Swagbucks is a very big GPT website. They've got offer walls where people can download their offers. Another one is Free Cash, right? So Free Cash, if you come to Free Cash, right, you'll see that these are all offers. Okay, so they've got a massive offer wall here. You can see here, offer wall. So people would come here, they would download games. They would, this one's an IQ Forex broker thing. This is a video poker game. This is a Vegas casino game, right? So, and if you're an owner of one of these big GPT websites or PTC websites, right, then it's very easy for you to use Affmine and leverage some of these offers, okay? But unfortunately, most people that are going to be watching this video are probably not going to be a GPT website owner, or maybe you're not going to have a massive blog or anything like that. So unfortunately, you're not going to be able to take advantage of some of these offers because it's quite specific. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? But if you are, then they pay out weekly, and there's a minimum threshold of $50, okay? And they pay out through Wire, PayPal, or Payoneer, okay? The other way that you can take part in this is if you have a smallish blog. All right, so maybe you don't get that much traffic, but you want to chuck a couple of these things out there, like, win an Adidas voucher right here, okay? Or, win a next PlayStation console, and you want to have like a banner, you can do that. You can chuck it on your blog, right? Maybe you have a blog about puppies, or you got a blog about food, and you want to stick the little banner on there, then you can totally do that, okay? And for every single person that lands on it and fills in an application, then you will get a commission from that particular product offer. Okay, so not too bad. All right, so if you want to check out Affmine, you can just head over to affmine.com. Again, the only thing about Affmine is that I think for you to be successful on this, you need to have an existing blog or a website that has a decent amount of traffic coming to it. Otherwise, it's very difficult to leverage these types of offers specifically, because these are very much incentive offers. They are offer walls, sweepstakes, adult and dating, and survey and quizzes as well. So if you can't drive enough traffic to these types of offers, then it's probably not a good fit for you. But if you do have it, then Affmine is pretty cool if you want to check out these incentivized offers out. Okay, affmine.com. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you're looking for a way to make money online, but you don't know how, maybe you want to do affiliate marketing, maybe you've heard of Affmine, you're in research mode. Look, there are a lot of different ways to make money on the internet, and there's a lot of great ways to make money in affiliate marketing. But the thing about affiliate marketing is it's a very big space. There's a lot of different types of products you can promote. You can promote physical stuff, you can promote digital courses, you can promote digital incentive offers like what Affmine specializes in, offer walls, surveys and quizzes and stuff like that. But for me, if you're an absolute beginner, because I've been doing this a long time, over 15 plus years, right? I think the best way for an absolute beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month every single month with affiliate marketing is a very particular strategy within affiliate marketing. So if you would like to get that strategy for free so that you can implement it step by step, just click the link below and I'll send you that for free. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Affmine, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.